Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuums that are making waves in the market. In one corner, we have the Shark AV753 Ion robot vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the Roborock Q5 Plus. Let's dive in and compare these two products in various categories to see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Shark AV753 Ion robot vacuum comes in at just $229, while the Roborock Q5 Plus is priced at $699. It's clear that the Shark offers a more budget-friendly option for those looking to save some money. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The Shark AV753 features a tri-brush system that combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to handle debris on carpets and hard floors. With its intelligent cliff sensors, it can avoid bumping into furniture and walls. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Plus boasts a powerful 2,700 Pascal suction, which easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors and deep within carpets. It also comes with a multi-plane floating main brush that keeps the brush closer to the ground for deeper cleaning. The Q5 Plus takes the lead in this category with its impressive cleaning capabilities. Let's move on to the smart features. The Shark AV753 can be controlled through the Shark Clean app, allowing you to start and stop cleaning and schedule your robot to clean whenever you want. It also offers easy voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Plus offers an additional feature, the self-empty dock. This dock automatically empties the Q5's dustbin after each cleanup, saving you the hassle of manual emptying. It also utilizes PreciSense LiDAR navigation, which creates precise maps of your home that can even be viewed in 3D. The Q5 Plus takes the lead once again with its advanced smart features. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Shark AV753 offers a 120-minute runtime, providing whole home, floor-to-carpet cleaning for up to 2 hours. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Plus is powered by a high-capacity battery, ensuring long-lasting cleaning that can easily tackle most homes in one clean. It's a tie in this category as both products offer impressive battery life. After comparing the Shark AV753 Ion robot vacuum and the Roborock Q5 Plus, it's clear that both products have their strengths. The Shark AV753 offers a more affordable price point and great cleaning performance, while the Roborock Q5 Plus shines with its advanced smart features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. And there you have it, folks. After comparing the Shark AV753 Ion robot vacuum and the Roborock Q5 Plus, it's clear that both products have their strengths. The Shark AV753 offers a more affordable price point and great cleaning performance, while the Roborock Q5 Plus shines with its advanced smart features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.